Have you tried the pre-order feature of electronics parts for PCB assembly by JLCPCB? No? Then maybe you want to watch this video. Move to JLCPCB.com and log into your JLCPCB account and visit your account manager. There you will notice the new Parts Manager option appears on the list. From this section, you can proceed to check your available stocks or place a new parts order or even request the adding of a specific part. Let's try it through the following test example. I will order the new RP2040 MCU by Raspberry Pi. I search for the part using its part number or part reference. Here it is. The part has a minimum order quantity of one part. I will take 2 of it and I add it to my part library. Then I move back to my cart to pay for the selected part. You do secure checkout normally the way you pay for the other PCB services. After finishing the payment step, I got the part in my own stock and then I can use it for PCB assembly whenever I need it. This method will help you to save time and to secure your regular PCB assembly orders. You can check the full guide description about this new feature on our JLCPCB website. Your suggestions are our main source of improvement.